Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study about metals and non-metals for standard 8th in subject science. Let me write it on the blackboard. For subject science, we are going to study about metals and non-metals. So, what is a metal? A metal is any shiny element which conducts electricity, which conducts heat, and metals are used in making wires, making alloys, different things. Let me write it on the blackboards for your convenience. Any element that is lustrous, conducts heat and electricity is known as metal. Some examples of metals are copper, aluminium, zinc, etc. Let me write it on the board. Copper, aluminium, zinc, mercury. These are all examples of metals. Mercury is only liquid metal. All others are non-metals. All others are metals. All other metals are solid in state and they are shiny. For example, if the nib of this pen, the nib of this pen is metallic in color, and this is made up of very dense metal, which is for which we can write easily. Similarly, our bike is also made up of metal, and these are all different things. Now let us talk about non-metals. Elements that are amorphous and that are not good, that are not good in that are not good conductor of heat, electricity, are known as non-metals. Let me write the definition on the blackboard. For example, wood, charcoal, these are all different kinds of non-metals. The blackboard, this is made up of slate. This is example of non-metal. This metallic portion of aluminum, this is a metal. As you can see, this metallic portion is shiny and lustrous in nature. In comparison, this slate, it is non-metallic and it is not lustrous in nature. Now let us do a comparison of all the metals and non-metals. Let me erase it and we will do comparison of all the metals and non-metals. First of all, metals are shiny and non-metals are not shiny. Metals are generally shiny, non-metals are not shiny. They are good conductor of heat and electricity, and non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Metals mostly have ionic bond, and non-metals have covalent bond. Let me draw a molecule of a metal. This is lithium. This is ionic. This is molecule of lithium, and it has three electrons. The atomic mass of lithium is 3. If we take, and all the metals, they form ionic bond. They do not share their electrons. On the other hand, covalent bonds are formed by sharing of electrons. Let me draw helium, a molecule of helium atom. The atomic number of helium is 2, and both the helium atoms are sharing their electrons. Due to that, there is no valence electron. Due to absence of valence electrons, these elements are not able to transmit heat and electricity. Therefore, they are bad conductors of heat and electricity. On the other hand, if we talk about lithium, this molecule has a valence electron. This molecule has valence electron. Due to this valence electron, they are directly able to transmit heat and electricity. This helps metallic elements to transfer heat and electricity very easily. Copper, mercury, aluminium, iron, these are all different examples of metallic objects. On the other hand, helium, hydrogen, boron, bismuth, arsenic, zinc, these are all examples of non-metals. Due to that, they are not able to conduct heat and electricity easily because there are always shared electrons between covalent bonds. Lastly, we saw here that due to metals and non-metals, all they have different properties, and these different properties helps us to make different objects that are used in our day-to-day lives. For example, this blackboard is made up of metal and non-metal, which is slate and aluminium both. This helps us in making different objects. For example, this tube, it has many metals and non-metals. This rubber part, this is non-metal, and the wire inside it, it is a metallic. So metals and non-metals are both very important elements in our lives, and we require them very necessarily. Thank you, everyone. If you have any questions, you can contact me personally. Thank you.